Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Good afternoon. Give me a high five. Yes. What is your name?
I am Vietnam.
Telam. Alright. Nice to see you again. Telam, where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Vietnam. Very good. How old are you, Telam?
I'm good.
You're good. Yes. How are you? You're good. How old are you? Are you 4 years old or 5 years old? 5 years old. Alright. Telam, we will talk about the history of Vietnam. Are you ready?
Let's go.
Let's go! Telam, can you tell me where is Lac Long Quan?
That's the one.
Yes. Is Lac Long Quan Fairy or Dragon King?
The one thing.
Yes, Dragon King. This one is Ao Ko. Yes, she is a fairy. Very good. Next, we will talk about the food. What food is this? Oh, what's this one? Banjai. This one? What shape is the banchung? Is it circle or square? Square. The banjai is
Circle.
circle or round. Okay, now, which one do you like? Do you like banchung or banjai? Banjai, ah? Very good. Now, Telam. Now, what's this one? Who are they? They are?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes, there are 4 soldier.
Shoulder.
Soldier, right? Do you remember that? How about this? Can you tell me where is the tank? This one. Is the tank big or small?
Big or small?
The tank is big.
And then it's big.
Yes, how about this? I see a car.
I see a car.
I see a train.
I see a kid.
And I see a bike.
I see a bag.
Very good. Do you remember the poem that we used to say when we were in class? We say, Lac Long Quan is a dragon king.
Black one in the dragon king.
Ao Ko,
Alcohol fairy.
she have,
She are red.
yes, they get married. It's a happy
It's a happy day.
day. Many eggs.
One day.
Yes, eggs are hatching.
1, 2, 3.
Some go to the,
Send it to the mountain.
some go to the,
Send it to the sea.
yes, good job. Very good, Telam. Bye-bye.